Hi and welcome to Skills Exceed. In today's video, we will check two powerful features of conditional formatting to make our data more meaningful and more visually appealing. So let's get started. First, we will apply tick and cross icons based on our status column. Select the range where you want your icons to appear. Go to Conditional Formatting, New Rule. Select the format cells based on their values. Now from this option, select the icon sets. Select the first icon as tick, the second icon as cross, and for the third icon we will select no icon set. For the values, we will be giving values in a number in 1 and 0, so we will select the number. First value will be 1 and the second value will be 0. Finally, click this option that show icons only, as we only want icons to appear in our column. Press OK. Now wherever the status is completed, press 1, and wherever the status is not complete, press 0. By using this, you can make your data more visually appealing. And for the second feature, we will apply a progress bar. To do this, select the range of values where you want your progress bar to appear. Go to Conditional Formatting, Data Bars, More Rule. Leave the first option as selected. Format all cells based on their values. Format style will be data bar. For the minimum value, select number and give the value as 0, and for the maximum, don't do anything because our value is already formatted as percentages. Now bar appearance, select color of your choice and press OK. Now you can see our data bar is appearing and our data is more visually appealing. So that's all for today. See you in the next one.